Hi everyone. So yesterday I made this video talking about 3D print design and how I want to improve and get better by learning Fusion 360. This is the video, it's on my channel. I encourage you to watch it. Also, maybe I should like my own video before asking you to like them. Then I went ahead and I ran a poll asking if you would be interested in a Fusion 360 course. So what I'm thinking is, as I'm learning, whatever I learn, I can make a video and share on my channel with you. And overwhelmingly, 17 of you have voted so far. And overwhelmingly, the result is you are interested. So this is me saying that I am starting the course. And as I'm learning, I'm going to share with you what I learn and make new videos as we go. So here we go. We're gonna go and get the Autodesk Fusion 360. By the way, you can get a free trial. In addition, there is a free version for personal use. Also, there is a free version for students and for educators, like if you're a teacher or depending on your role at university. I'm not going to be determining your eligibility for a free version or not. I will let you figure that out for yourself. That said, at worst case, you still can get a free trial by downloading this from the link here, which I will leave in the description. This is Fusion 360. I went ahead and I downloaded my own copy. I logged in and make sure you create your account, sign up, download the software, and get set up. So the software should look like this. And if you have that and you're already logged in, let's go ahead and get started with the course. So I will see you in the next video.